Welcome to Uptime.com and to our overview video on cloud status checks. Uptime.com's cloud status is a specially designed check type that allows you to monitor the status of common cloud services across multiple communication channels. Cloud status checks monitor the third-party services in your technology stack from within the Uptime.com interface, reducing the need to visit multiple services, status pages, and other information sources outside of your normal Uptime workflow. To add and configure this check type, navigate to Monitoring, then select Add Check to be taken to the setup page for your check. First, select Cloud Status Check from the Check Type drop-down. Next, we will need to fill in some basic details for your check, such as any contacts that you would like to be alerted in case of a failure, and any tags to help organize and label your check. Select the third-party service to be monitored from the third-party services list, or use the search function to locate the desired service. If you find that the service you would like to monitor is not in the list provided, please use the Request a New Service option to submit a feature request to add your desired third-party service. Once the service is selected, an additional menu will appear, which allows for selecting the specific component of the third-party service to monitor. Once the service is selected, you'll have two options. The first is Monitor All Components, which sends you notifications for every component under that service. Keep in mind that large providers like AWS can have thousands of components, so we strongly recommend this option only if you genuinely use all of them. The second option is Filter to Specific Components, which lets you drill down and select only the components relevant to you. And within each component, you can go even further and choose specific subcomponents. You can also control the type of notifications you receive. In the General tab, you'll find the option to opt out of maintenance notifications, which limits alerts to only actual service disruptions. One important thing to note, if a check enters a down state due to an outage, it will remain down until every one of the affected components has fully recovered. To view incident history for your cloud status check, either click on the name of your check from the Checks page or by selecting the Actions menu and selecting View Check Analysis. The Check Analysis page for cloud status checks uses a different view than other checks. Instead of displaying an uptime graph, this page will display incident history with links to the home page of the service as well as its dedicated status page. Click the View Details button on an incident to see the full update from the third-party provider. The vendor name, vendor service, last updated time, and full details of the incident as reported by the provider are displayed in the pop-out. As with other checks, use the Date Range selector to view events from only a specific set of dates. We recommend tagging cloud status checks with the appropriate service that the check is monitoring to ensure that third-party outages are clearly communicated and are differentiated from your own URL or endpoint outages. For more information, check out the rest of our video library or reach out to us directly at support@uptime.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and visit uptime.com to explore all the ways we can help you maintain uptime and performance.